What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Mark Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. For new to the Mark Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. So today I'll be going over some of the top NFT stocks that you should consider. So NFTs, being non-fungible tokens, are definitely growing in popularity as time goes on. But some people, are looking at NFTs as like a sound investment. But if you want to get into NFTs, but you don't want to get into NFTs, these are some companies that I think you should consider that are involved in NFTs, but it's like kind of a back way to get into NFTs. So the first one being ticker sign FNKO, and this is for Funko. If we look at the chart at the time of the video, they have a week high of $22.05. Then we can see that they ended the day at $21.67, and then in pre-market they're at $21.75. So just bear in mind the prices on these will be different because I'm giving this video before the market is opening. So depending on when you watch this video, the price will be different. They are currently bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50. But VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on that metric, but negative on the other metric with the moving average 10. I think they definitely have the potential to go back up from here, though, but they will have to retest this $2.05 level. So 21.75 is not too far away from 22.05, so definitely going to be looking to see how this performs as time goes on. But going into some background information on Funko, we can see on the 1st, so April 1st, 2021 is when this article came out. It says they entered the NFT market with majority stake in Token Head developer. So the company announced that they acquired majority ownership stake in Token Wave LLC, the developer of Tokenhead, leading mobile app and website for showcasing and tracking non-fungible token holdings. Tokenhead is available on iOS and Android and currently displays over 10 million NFTs and has more than 100,000 visits per day. So very large flow of traffic for this Tokenhead company. The investment accelerates Funko's initial entry into NFT market and will extend the company's pop culture platform um, to include digital assets. Funko expects to launch initial NFT offerings in June, so that hasn't happened yet. Basically, featuring unique proprietary each week at a starting price of $9.99. Products will be sold on the Wax platform and the leading decentralized wallet on the blockchain, which provides verifiable authenticity for purchase of the Funko NFTs. So Funko, basically the company makes the Funko Pops, which were very popular. There are a lot of rare ones out there, but their whole entire YouTube channels around just Funko Pops. So this is going into the NFT world. They're going to be making NFT Funko Pops, which I think will increase the popularity of Funko and definitely taking them to the digital NFT world. But I definitely can see whole YouTube channels just around the NFTs of Funko Pops if people already have the physical ones themselves. So definitely a pretty interesting move from Funko in general. I definitely can see this catching on with a lot of people in the future. So they have Funko themed pops for just about any genre, comic book, sports, music. On here it says television, movies, anime. I mean, they have it for just about everything. So, uh, you know, the amount of Funko Pops that they could make in the NFT world are like unlimited at this point, in my opinion. So going to the next one, we have ticker sign WKEY. That's for Wise Key International. Now they are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, but VWAP is above moving average 10. They had a low of $9.26. Ended the day at 9.75, and then pre-market they're down at 9.10. So going to be looking to see if they can bounce back and break through this moving average 50 line of 970, 979 or 980. So definitely gonna be looking to see how they perform as time goes on. But looking at all three of these, they're not really any that are too expensive as far as just getting into NFTs is concerned. Now, if you go buy an NFT just straight out, you may be paying quite a bit. Funko already said that they're going to be doing 9.99 NFTs, so you may wait till June in order to get into that. But you know, until then, some of them that I've seen, the prices are quite expensive. And then also with Funko, you can't think that they may have a limited amount as far as production is concerned. So they may start off at 9.99, and then the markup for people reselling them may go crazy from there. So just also bear that in mind as well. So going to some background on this company, WiseKey. One of the articles right here just says that they and Casper Labs joined forces to launch trusted NFT.io technologies. So, reading part of this, just going to say leading global security AI blockchain and IoT company announced it's joining forces with Casper Labs. Um, the developer of Casper, the most reliable and secure blockchain for businesses, strategic partnership to bring trust to the hype around non-fungible tokens with the launch of Trusted NFT.io. Strategic partnership will provide dedicated, secure marketplace on Casper Network for buying and selling NFTs, including artwork, luxury goods for the majority. Auction will occur in summer 2021, so it hasn't come out yet. With more information to come soon, so definitely be looking for Casper Labs with WiseKey for buying and selling NFTs. Definitely, that's one thing I think a lot of people are considering is security wise, how secure is this NFT market? Can I trust buying something from someone that's a digital asset? But definitely you see a lot. I'm starting to see a lot of companies getting into the security aspect of NFTs, so that's good to see. Next, they said that they're partnering with Jacob and Company. Jacob and Company makes these amazing watches that I think are fantastic. They're extremely expensive though, so hopefully one day I'll be able to afford one of these. But you know, they're definitely one of a kind masterpieces that the company makes, and they're transitioning into the NFT world. So it says Waski and Jacob and Company joined forces to the NFT masterpiece Astronomia Sky, which is this watch right here. Um, and it says both companies successfully conducted last week world premiere to launch or to auction both physical and virtual NFTs of the unprecedented attention to their combined leadership. So they're definitely going to be combining. So I think if you purchase the NFT, you get the watch, or I don't know how that works. Do you get the digital version of the watch, but not the physical? I'm gonna have to research that to see how that performs. But their watches definitely are one of a kind, in my personal opinion, and definitely going into NFT world, having a 3D version of it, I think will be just as good as having a physical version of it. Now, one thing on here that I think is very interesting that excuse me, if you want to get into this company, if you see this going up, is this company is actually involved in creating an app for vaccine certifications as well as digital vaccine certifications. So um, if you've heard, the talk about the vaccine passports and things like that, this company is actually making an app to do that called SafePass, which you can store all your information into it and basically be sent. Have your proof of verification, so you can scan it on here, and it'll give you a QR code of all the information on here. So as far as cybersecurity is concerned, they're not just an NFT company; they're a company who is kind of on the leading edge of some of these things. I know vaccine passports is something that a lot of companies were talking about, but I haven't really seen an article talking about a company actually doing it. But this article came out the 29th, so it's pretty recent, which they're calling their WIS Shelter, WI Shelter Safe Pass app. So it's for proof of verification of vaccination. It gives you secure QR code, which helps you access facilities, airports, concert halls, etc. So I think it's very interesting app-wise. So definitely keep a close eye on this company, WKEY, for some of the stuff that they're doing as far as security and NFTs are concerned, as well as being on the leading edge of the new way of life. Lastly, on here, we're talking about ticker sign CSCW for Color Star Technology. Daily week high of $1.32. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is below the 50. VWAP is above moving average 10. Maybe that will change. Looks like in pre-market they are down to $1.19. So maybe some reversal going on to continue this bearish trend that they're on. But hopefully it'll turn around. They can retest this $1.32 high that they had this week. Going to background information on them, they had a partnership with Supri NFT for the future development of NFTs. So Supri NFT, or yeah, I think I'm saying that right. Supri NFT maintains SuperTop, a diversified and integrated NFT super platform covering NFT creation, trading auctions, physical mapping, NFT collateral, NFT social application, among others. The platform is built on Supri NFT protocol and STU certification, and was developed by deploying the integration or integrating ERC 721 and ERC 1155 NFT and other protocols such as Supri NFT, Supri Art, Supri Me, and Supri FI. Supri Top aspires to be the eBay of the NFT world. Uh, Supri Top is a super trading and creation platform with the technology to aggregate hundreds of NFT trading platforms. So I like the analogy, the eBay of NFT world. So I'm definitely seeing a lot of people branching out to do a lot of different things as far as NFTs are concerned. I think when people think of companies getting involved in NFT, they just think making NFTs, but some are in the security, as we've seen with WiseKey, Funko. They're in the creation of NFTs, and then this one, this company, Color Star Technology, is into having a place where people can buy and auction off NFTs. So the NFT world, definitely there are a lot of different lanes that you can go into as far as being profitable in NFTs or non-fungible tokens. So I think that's something that people should consider when looking at NFTs. Now those are the three stocks: ticker sign FNKO, ticker sign WKEY, and ticker sign CSCW. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are looking at as far as NFTs are concerned, or do you think it's better to just go and just flat out buy an NFT when you see it and get a verified wallet or verified crypto wallet and just hold it? Either or, make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts are on it, and make sure you hit that thumbs up while you're down there. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.